Sa motion for clarification. Ang tinatanong ko lang muna, explain mo muna yung, kasi hindi kayo nag-proceed sa IPO. Sabi mo, no, you did not proceed with the IPO. So why? Explain.
Ito na nga po, because we wanted to be clarified whether we can be allowed insofar as the alternative mode under Section 8 of RA 9511.
Okay.
So, ang tanong po nila, Your Honor, is, did the IPO proceeded as contemplated under ERC order dated 10 March 2021? Ang response po namin ay, dun nga po sa interim na yon, nag-file po si NGCP ng motion for clarification to allow the alternative mode under Section 8 of 9511, which is yun nga po yung...
Wait, Attorney Malyari.
Yes po.
What is the motion for clarification all about? If there was a decision by the commission denying your petition, and then you filed a motion for reconsideration, and that was also denied, the motion for clarification should be on the decision of the denial, not on the alternative mode of the requirement that is being set by Section 8 of Republic Act 9511.
Mr. Chairman, I think we should allow the focus of this inquiry, the NGCP, to fully explain. Because once there was the decision that they are going to have IPO, Section 8 provides an alternative remedy. That's the second proviso, which I read.
Sir,
Provided that the listing in the PSC of any company which directly or indirectly owns. So can we allow the NGCP to finish? Because if we keep on interjecting, we don't have the whole defense of the NGCP.
Mr. Chairman,
so I'm asking that,
Mr. Chairman,
so many times,
I'm questioning the resource person. And I'm satisfied already with the answer that she was manifesting. Okay na sa akin yung Mr. Chairman, basta sumagot siya ng
Okay.
ng
Mr. Chair,
tinatanong ko.
Honorable Rufus,
1 minute
this is the